Learn 2 professional beauty lighting setups created in Set.a.Light 3D. Discover how to position modifiers for that perfect soft light, ideal for fashion and editorial portraits. Watch and transform your lighting skills. Let's get started. Hello friends and subscribers. In the first lighting setup, we'll be using 5 light sources. 2 reflector lights, 2 light blockers, 2 strip lights, and 1 octabox. We begin by placing the light blockers. They are positioned at an angle slightly behind the model. Their purpose is to prevent the background lights from spilling onto the model. Next, we place 2 reflector lights behind the blockers. We carefully adjust them so they illuminate only the background without touching the model. Then we set up the octabox. It's positioned above the model and angled to create soft, flattering light on the face. Finally, we add 2 strip lights. These work as fill lights. Why do we use 2 strip lights? Their role is to soften the shadows, balance the overall lighting, and create clean, straight catch lights in the model's eyes. We review the entire setup and make fine adjustments. Always make sure the facial shadows are not too harsh or high in contrast. During the shoot, work actively with your model. Try different angles and poses, move around, and adjust to get the light lines and highlights you're aiming for. This is very important. Now we observe the result. We analyze how the light falls, where the shadows appear, and how the catch lights look in the eyes. Don't be afraid to experiment with light positions. Find the combination that works best for your vision. And that's it, our photo is ready. And the second lighting setup will be using 4 light sources, 2 light blockers, and 4 reflector lights. Two of the reflectors will be used to light the background with color gels. I chose blue for this setup, but feel free to use any color you like. Let's get started. The light blockers are already positioned on both sides of the model. Next, we place 2 reflector lights with blue gels aimed at the background. We adjust them to create a smooth blue gradient. With the help of the light blockers, we make sure this background light doesn't spill onto the model. Then, we set up another reflector light behind the model, slightly off to the side. This will serve as a rim light, and again, using the light blockers, we fine-tune it to shape the exact contour we want. Finally, we add the main light, also a reflector light, positioned in front of the model. In this setup, it acts as the fill light, softening the shadows and bringing balance to the overall scene. We check the entire setup and make precise adjustments. Always ensure that shadows on the face aren't too harsh or overly contrasted. During the shoot, work actively with your model. Try different angles and poses, move around, and fine-tune the light to achieve the visual lines and reflections you want. That's crucial. Now we take a look at the result. Analyze how the light falls, where shadows appear, and how the catch lights look in the eyes. Don't hesitate to experiment with light positions. Find the combination that fits your creative vision best. And that's it. Our photo is ready.